Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial we are going to see about Docker networking. This is pretty interesting topic, and understanding this will help you to make use of different networks for your containers, and isolate them with the different networks. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so and provide your comments. Let's start with checking the containers running. Use Docker PS for listing running container and Docker PS-a for listing all containers. We will remove the containers and will create new inks containers for this tutorial. If you want to know about basic Docker commands, please check my tutorial on my channel. Let's create a container named nginx1 using the port 80 in host and container. The container nginx1 is created, and let's inspect the container using the command docker inspect nginx1. We want to see the network in which the container is connected. By default the container will be connected to a network named bridge and driver is bridge. Let's check out the networks available. If you run the command docker network ls, it will list all the network available. You can see the network named bridge, which is used in container nginx1. There are different network we can use in Docker like bridge, host, overlay, MacVLAN, third-party network plugin, etc. You can check out Docker documentation for more details. You can use the command docker network --help to get the details on Docker network commands. We will be using these commands in this tutorial and we'll see what it does. Let's create another container nginx2 using image tag alpine. We will inspect the Docker network bridge to see which all containers are connected to the network. By default, if you have not mentioned any network when creating container, it will be connected to default bridge network. When you inspect the network bridge, you can see that there are two containers NGINX1 and NGINX2 connected to this network. Let me create a new network in the name my new network, and we'll see by default it uses bridge driver. You can also specify the driver name when you create the network. If you inspect the newly created my new network, it is not connected to any containers now. We will see how we can connect this network to an existing container, and also we will see how we can use this network when creating a new container, so that the new container will be using the network my new network. Follow along. Now we have seen how to connect the My network to an existing container and how to disconnect the bridge network from an existing container. Let me create another nginx3 container and we'll add that to my network at the time of creation. Docker Network ls will be listing all the network available. If you would like to filter the list depending upon the driver or name etc., you can use the parameter -f. You can also use format to get specific list of columns. Now we have 3 container running. NGINX1 is connected to bridge network and containers NGINX2 and 3 are connected to my new network. What does this means is NGINX1 cannot interact with NGINX2 and 3. The containers NGINX2 and 3 can interact each other since they are in the same network. We will see this by pinging the containers from other one. Since some the containers doesn't have ping installed, we will be installing them. Follow along. I hope this tutorial is informative for you. We have covered the details on networking in Docker. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel and like the video.